Bright QT. Every student matters.
So the first question is, what is a fuel? Give examples. Students, fuel is any substance that produces energy on burning is known as a fuel. And examples can be coal, petroleum, etc. Right? The second question is, what are the characteristics of a good fuel? We have to tell the characteristics of a good fuel. So here are the characteristics. A good fuel is one which is readily available. This is the first condition. It must be readily available. Secondly, it must be cheap. If it is very costly, it won't be economical to use it. Then it burns easily in air at moderate rate. It should not just evaporate on burning. It should last for some time and it should burn easily in air at a moderate rate. It should produce a large amount of heat. Basically, if we burn 5 grams of it, we should be able to obtain a large amount of energy from it. It does not have to leave behind any undesirable substances. Basically, when we carry out the combustion of petrol, a lot of harmful toxic gases are released. So it is not a good fuel, right? So a good fuel does not leave behind any undesirable substances, and no fuel is present basically that we can call as an ideal fuel. So these were the characteristics of a good fuel. What is fuel efficiency? How is it measured? So fuel efficiency is basically a data through which we measure the efficiency of a fuel, that how much energy can a fuel produce. So it is measured with the help of the calorific value, right? So the amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kilograms of a fuel is called as its calorific value. The amount of heat energy produced on the complete combustion of 1 kg of a fuel is called as its calorific value. And this is how we measure. So it is measured with the help of calorific value. Next question, define calorific value. As I just discussed, that is the definition. 1 mark question. It may also ask a few calorific values. So we can discuss the table. That as you can look at the table, cow dung cake has a calorific value of 6,000 to 8,000 kilojoules per kg, while hydrogen has about 1,50,000 kilojoules per kilograms of the calorific value. So hydrogen is a much more efficient fuel, right? So this is how we measure and we compare different fuels. Third question is, burning of fuels is very harmful. Why? So let us discuss the ill effects of burning of fuels. First of all, burning of fuels produces unburnt carbon particles, which leads to different diseases and pollution. Basically, respiratory diseases are caused due to unburnt carbon particles. Partial combustion of these fuels lead to production of carbon monoxide gas. Carbon monoxide is produced due to incomplete combustion. Basically, when a fuel is undergoing complete combustion, it will produce carbon dioxide gas. But when there is not the proper supply of oxygen, then carbon monoxide is produced, and this carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas. Right? So this is how combustion is dangerous. Then burning of fuels releases carbon dioxide, which is leading to global warming as well as pollution. Right? Then burning of fuels releases sulfur dioxide gas, which causes acid rain as well as it causes respiratory diseases. So this is again very harmful. So this is how burning of fuels is very harmful. So these were the important questions for the 7th topic. Thank you for your attention, students.